Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. Hope you're all well. On the menu today we're going to make shakshuka, probably one of the greatest breakfasts in the world. I would say it's the greatest breakfast in the world, but I'm British, so I have to say that the English breakfast is the best one in the world. It actually isn't. This one is. Beautiful eggs, tomatoes, some lovely spices, onions, garlic, and I've got some feta cheese on this one. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started on this one then. So I've got some onion there, cut it nice and small, about a cup of onion, just over a cup of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, about 100 grams of tomato paste, a couple of teaspoons of chopped garlic, and then here we've got a teaspoon each of chili powder, nutmeg, paprika and cumin. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper, and of course we're going to add eggs and a few other bits. So I've got a pan here, as you can see, and I've been quite generous with my olive oil, and I'm on a medium heat. We're going to drop in our onion, our garlic. I'm just going to season this now with some salt and black pepper. Yeah, we don't want to cook the life out of this, really. We don't want to really fry it really hard. So a nice medium heat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. Nice and gently with the onions and the garlic. We're now going to drop in our tomatoes. And we're going to stay on this medium heat. I want to cook this now for about 5, 6, 7 minutes. We really want these tomatoes to break down pretty much into a mush. So again, nice and gentle, 5 to 7 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. Okay, so our tomatoes are cooking down really nicely. Next up, we're going to drop in the tomato paste. We're also going to add our spices. Let's just take one more look at them. So we've got equal parts, like a teaspoon, cumin, chili, paprika, and nutmeg. I like that little combination. And again, staying on this heat, medium heat, let's cook that paste out for about another 4 minutes. Stirring fairly often now. Beautiful. Now it's really important that once you put that tomato paste in, you really do give it a nice little fry so it cooks really nicely. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this now. And very simply, again, staying on this heat, about 2 to 3 more minutes, and we can move on. Wonderful stuff. And that for me is a beautiful consistency. Now we're going to add some feta cheese to this one, which I like in there. Just drop some random sized pieces in. Get some chili in here if you want, fresh chilies, or some black olives maybe. Now we're going to drop our eggs in. Now what I do is I just get the eggs into a container like that, so I can just see that they're all good. You don't want to drop a bad egg in, do you? I like to put a little bit of salt and black pepper on my eggs. I'm going to pop a lid on this and then just cook your eggs how you want. I like mine fairly well done, so I'm going to probably be about 5 minutes. Okay, I've just turned the heat off. Let's just jump in and we're done. That's beautiful. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And that's a beauty. That is a beauty. That feta cheese melted down really nicely. I'm happy with that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a message. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.